If you're single and wondering why your prayers seem unanswered, don't scroll away. What if this season of waiting isn't rejection, but protection? What if the delay that's breaking your heart today is actually preparing you for a blessing beyond your imagination? Before you believe you've been forgotten, stay with me. By the end of this video, you may see your loneliness, your waiting, and Allah's plan in a completely different light. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I pray that Allah fills your heart with peace, strengthens your faith, and reminds you today that you are never forgotten. If you're single, I want you to hear this with an open heart. Your waiting is not a punishment. It is not proof that Allah is displeased with you, and it is not evidence that your du'as have been ignored. Sometimes the greatest pain comes from believing that everyone else is moving forward while your life feels paused. You watch others celebrate engagements, weddings, and new beginnings and quietly wonder, when will it be my turn? But what if you've been asking the wrong question? Instead of asking, why am I still waiting? Ask, what is Allah preparing me for? Every delay has a wisdom that we cannot always see. Allah's knowledge reaches beyond what our eyes can ever witness. He sees every person you will meet, every path you could take, every blessing that could help you, and every hardship that could harm you. What feels like a closed door today may actually be Allah protecting your heart from something that was never meant for you. Never measure your worth by your relationship status. Your value was never defined by a ring, a wedding date, or the opinions of people. Your value comes from being a servant of Allah. The one who created your heart knows exactly when, where, and how to answer its deepest prayers. His timing is never random. It is always filled with wisdom, mercy, and perfect knowledge, even when you cannot yet understand it. Sometimes we think the greatest gift is the one we're waiting for. But often, the greatest gift is the person Allah is shaping us into before that blessing arrives. Every unanswered expectation, every quiet night, every tear that no one sees can become part of a beautiful transformation. Allah does not simply prepare blessings for His servants. He prepares His servants for their blessings. This is where Sabr becomes more than patience. Sabr is the strength to keep your heart soft when life feels hard. It is choosing hope when disappointment whispers that nothing will change. And Tawakkul is placing your complete trust in Allah, believing that even when you cannot trace His plan, you can trust His wisdom. The reward of Sabr and Tawakkul is not only in the hereafter. They bring a peace that no worldly relationship can guarantee. They replace panic with calm, fear with certainty, and restlessness with contentment. A heart that truly trusts Allah discovers a freedom that cannot be bought or taken away by people. Remember, Allah never wastes sincere patience. Every moment you remain faithful, every temptation you resist, and every time you choose trust over despair is known to Him. The one who sees your silent struggles also knows the perfect moment to open the doors meant for you. Sometimes, the delay itself becomes the greatest mercy, because by the time the blessing arrives, your heart has become strong enough to carry it with gratitude instead of fear. There are moments when silence feels overwhelming. The room is quiet, your heart feels heavy, and it seems as though no one truly understands what you're carrying. But never let loneliness convince you that you have been abandoned. In Islam, feeling alone is not the same as being alone. Allah is always aware of His servants. He knows every thought that never reaches your lips, every tear you hide from people, and every sincere dua you whisper in the depths of the night. Not a single tear falls without His knowledge, and not a single sincere prayer escapes His hearing. Sometimes His answer comes immediately, sometimes it comes later, and sometimes He gives something even better than what you asked for. Waiting does not mean He has turned away from you. It means His wisdom is guiding your story in a way your eyes cannot yet see. When people misunderstand you, Allah knows your heart. When no one notices your struggle, Allah does. When your hope begins to fade, remember that the one who created your heart is closer to you than you can imagine. Speak to him honestly. Tell him your fears, your dreams, and your pain. Every sincere conversation with Allah is heard. The most beautiful hearts are often built in the quiet moments when they learn to depend on Allah alone. The companionship of your Creator brings a peace that no human being can fully replace. Hold firmly to that hope, because the one who hears every dua never forgets the servant who continues to call upon him with faith and trust. One of the quickest ways to lose peace is to measure your life against someone else's timeline. You see people getting married, building families, and reaching milestones you have prayed for, and a quiet question enters your heart. Why not me? But remember, comparison can make you overlook the blessings Allah is already placing in your life. Allah's timing is never late, never early, and never without wisdom. He knows what you know, and He knows what you could never know. He sees the future, while we only see the present. What appears to be a delay may actually be protection from pain, preparation for growth, or a path leading to something far better than you imagined. Every person's journey is unique, because every person's test is unique. The story Allah is writing for you was never meant to look exactly like anyone else's. Someone else's blessing is not evidence that yours has been canceled. The one who provided for them has not run out of mercy for you. Instead of asking, why are they ahead of me? Ask yourself, how can I grow closer to Allah while I wait? Hearts become lighter when they stop racing against other people's clocks and begin trusting the one who controls time itself. The most beautiful blessings often arrive when they are needed most, not when they are wanted most. So protect your heart from comparison, fill it with gratitude, and trust that Allah's plan for you is unfolding with perfect wisdom, perfect mercy, and perfect timing. What if this chapter of your life is not empty at all? What if it is sacred ground where Allah is quietly building a version of you that could not exist without this season? Do not let your waiting become wasted. Let it become meaningful. Every sunrise that Allah allows you to witness is an invitation to grow, to heal, and to draw closer to Him. Fill your days with sincere worship, not because you are trying to earn a blessing, but because your heart was created to find peace in remembering its Creator. Let your relationship with Allah become deeper than your desire for any worldly relationship. Seek beneficial knowledge that illuminates your mind. Develop skills that allow you to serve others with excellence. Refine your character until kindness, humility, honesty, and gratitude become part of who you are. Heal the wounds that only Allah knows about. Forgive where you can. Let go of burdens that keep your heart heavy. Become the person whose inner beauty shines even when no one is watching. Never think this season is standing still. While you feel like you are waiting, Allah may be teaching you resilience, polishing your character, strengthening your faith, and planting wisdom that will benefit you for years to come. The strongest souls are rarely formed in moments of comfort. They are shaped in quiet seasons where faith is chosen again and again without immediate results. One day, you may look back and realize that this was not the chapter where your life was on hold. It was the chapter where Allah was preparing your heart to carry His blessings with gratitude, wisdom, and unwavering trust. As we come to the end of this reminder, hold on to one truth that can calm even the most restless heart. Allah's plan is never without wisdom. There are chapters of life that make perfect sense only after they have passed. What feels confusing today may one day become the very reason you thank Allah with tears of gratitude. Never believe that your waiting is meaningless. If your heart remains connected to Allah, your time is never being wasted. Keep making sincere dua. Keep walking the halal path, even when it feels difficult. Every step taken to please Allah has value, even when no one else sees it. Your Lord knows the battles you never speak about, the tears you wipe away in private, and the hopes you continue to carry with quiet faith. Do not lose hope because of the calendar. Allah is not limited by time. He is the Lord of time. When He wills something for you, no force in creation can prevent it. And if He withholds something, it is never because He is lacking mercy, but because His wisdom and knowledge are perfect, while ours are limited. So keep your heart alive with hope. Continue trusting Him through every unanswered prayer and every silent night. A believer who waits with faith, patience, and trust is never a loser in the sight of Allah. Even before the destination arrives, Allah fills that journey with rewards, spiritual growth, and countless blessings that may only become clear in time. May Allah fill every lonely heart with tranquility, replace every fear with unshakable trust, accept every sincere dua, forgive our shortcomings, guide us toward what is pure and pleasing to Him, bless us with righteous spouses if marriage is good for us, and grant us hearts that remain content with His decree in every season of life. May He make us among those who never lose hope in His mercy and who meet every test with faith, patience, and gratitude. Ameen. If this reminder brought peace to your heart, then become part of this journey. Subscribe and let's continue growing together. One reminder, one prayer, and one step closer to Allah at a time. May this be a place where hearts remember their Creator and souls find hope whenever they return.